Is Tesla's Elon Musk going to be the first trillionaire in the world? Hey everyone, Investing Tips welcomes you back with yet another video about the first ever trillionaire to be Elon Musk. What, according to you, would be the first trillionaire? Would that be Tesla's Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos? Well, here we will be talking about the Tesla stocks. Tesla surpassed Facebook and became the fifth most valuable company in the market. And as the Bloomberg wealth tracker, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk became the world's wealthiest person ever, the richest man on Earth. He recently surpassed Jeff Bezos. Let's dive into the video to acknowledge the entire story and answer the trending question nowadays: is Elon Musk to be the first trillionaire in the world? We will discuss how wealthy Elon Musk could become. Before beginning the video, it will take just seconds for you to smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified regularly without missing out on any of our videos. Stay tuned until the end, as we would like to let you acknowledge the first ever true trillionaire in the world. The beginning. The organization began in 2003, beating long-term companies like GM and Ford by $10 to $20 billion is quite a surprise, yeah. Today, the company is priced for $773 billion US. When the news was released that Tesla is now valued that high, people were astounded. Elon Musk, the CEO, is one of the most eclectic billionaires among several, and with the $185 billion net worth, he is the richest person. Elon's journey. Born in South Africa, Elon Musk was interested in becoming a tech nerd, and for that he taught himself to code and sold his first video game code at the age of 12. He was bullied by people who felt that stupid, but now uses that only in his middle and high school. Well, we must say and agree that success is the sweetest revenge. Musk attended college in Canada and in the United States, where he paid his college fees by turning his college apartment on rent. He charged $5 a head. When he earned his bachelor's degree in physics and economics, he worked at a startup called Zip2 with his brother. The startup was a yellow internet page, including a map. In 1999, he sold his startup Zip2 for $307 million US, making him earn $22 million for himself. Elon was business-minded from the beginning, and with that $22 million, he invested in X.com, the online banking service bought by PayPal. Elon's earned $180 million from that investment, so this is how he invested in all the companies he owns today. Well, how much he makes from each of his firms. Let's talk about the trending organization Tesla. Tesla's stock price. With a market value of $773 billion US, it's pretty clear that Tesla is doing great in the field. Elon owns 36.8 million shares in the organization, and he's doing a lot more than just okay. In 2018, an announcement was made stating that Elon won't get paid by the organization for the next 10 years in its 12-step performance plan. It was only until the organization doubles its value. If it hits all the 12 performance milestones, reaching the market value of $650 billion, Elon will earn $184 billion alone from the Tesla stocks. And today it happened. Musk became the wealthiest person in the world, more affluent than Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon. Well, $773 billion now is a tremendous amount of money. In 2018, Tesla's value increased by 280%, with a 68% increment in the services and revenue. With $184 billion net worth, Elon had chances to be a trillionaire, as he also owns other organizations as well as Tesla. Among those, SpaceX is there, the well-known business venture of Elon. The organization develops rocket engines, space-like vehicles, and carries the entire city of Los Angeles with air launches and more. Are you guys enjoying the video? Keep watching until the end, as you might know why Musk had a chance to be the trillionaire, or by what he would first be the trillionaire. Also, while you're here, smash the subscribe button now without delay to enjoy our captivating videos without missing out. Wealth growth. Elon Musk, CEO of several business ventures with Tesla, SpaceX as the primaries, he has increased the share price of Tesla. His wealth increased by about $150 million US, such a vast amount indeed. All this happened because of the immense increase at the share price of Tesla that attained about 743% in 2020. The organization sold 5 lakh cars with a 36% rise in its sales than its previous year. It achieved profit, and the fascinating fact is, in a month or two, Elon Musk surpassed Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, and earned second richest person in the world. The stock price of the company rose high with the demand for electric vehicles. It was when the government announced the measure to wean off the world on internal combustion engines. Today's Tesla organization market value has an increase of 700 billion US dollars for the first time in history. This rise in the matter made the organization worth more than top brand car companies like Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen. Musk owned 20% of Tesla's shares, and at the beginning of 2020, he was the 35th person in the list of the wealthiest people in the world. The rise in stock value was by the Democratic winning of the US Senate. Musk owns chances to become the first ever trillionaire in the world. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have a competition for the first trillionaire. Earlier, Jeff Bezos was in the lead as he was the wealthiest person globally. But now as Musk became the wealthiest person, things are changed. Musk has grown to an immense level as with 35th position at the beginning of the year, he became the richest one in 2020. Elon Musk is blazing new trails unlike any of the other billionaires in history. He owns SpaceX, aerospace, Tesla Solar Roof Energy, Starlink, Telecom, Tesla Transportation, Tesla Tequila Liquor, Neuralink, AI and brain machine interfaces, Boring Company, tunnels, tunnel cars, mass transit, and more. On the other hand, Jeff Bezos also holds the diverse businesses as of Amazon, Zappos, Goodreads, Audible, Whole Foods, Woot Retail, Alexa Smart Devices, Rethink Robotics, Blue Origin Aerospace, Twitch video streaming, and the Washington Post and Business Insider publications, among others. Jeff Bezos has a primary focus on Amazon, while Musk has an immersive surrounding with his trailblazing companies. Musk's organizations are dedicated and focused on accomplishing things in a short period. His passion for evolving new industries offer higher upside and better way for prospects and exponential wealth and payback. Here are some of the fields that seem to have billion-dollar potential. The first one is the Tesla electric vehicle organization. There is no doubt that Tesla will continue improving its battery technology, allowing for longer automobile trips without regular charging. Simultaneously, we can expect to see advancements in EV technology and battery production to make cars more affordable. Meanwhile, the company is moving into the relative market products like trucks, micro-taxis, etc. Second is SpaceX, an aerospace organization. The technology of SpaceX has proven the Starship transport system's viability and will develop further for commercial use. It includes delivering and retrieving satellites like in the internet services and space tourism. The third is Starlink satellite production. It's the satellite internet constellation constructed by SpaceX to provide internet access worldwide. It will be the first global telecom organization in the world, while Samsung, Amazon, and others will compete for this space. The fourth is Tesla Solar Roof for energy saving. The Solar Roof by Tesla are the energy-generating roofs that are both attractive and durable. The solar cells are embedded inside the shelter than that of the mounted panels. The fifth is Neuralink for implantable brain machines. Neuralink Corporation is a nanotechnology organization that develops implantable brain-machine interfaces. The organization aims to design devices to treat severe brain disease patients in a short period. The main goal is to enhance the human mind. Six is Tesla Microgrid. Still being on the radar, Tesla has created over 120 operational microgrids worldwide. What are microgrids? Microgrids are small regional energy grids. In terms of Tesla, they are the grids designed to merge the solar roofs with Tesla to offer power-back platforms and the electric vehicles to form new ecosystems for energy generation. It involves selling, storing, buying, trading, and distributing electricity throughout the community. It uses bidirectional charge flow to flow the power where required and is stored when not needed. They are expecting to own 1,000 microgrids worldwide soon. Well, this was the outline for what Musk has been doing since then. The ventures he owns are business and environmentally friendly. For Jeff Bezos, he focuses on Amazon, and the experiences he holds are somehow lesser in technical terms than that of Musk. With the latest reports confirming Musk to be the richest person worldwide, we can say that he owns a chance to become the first trillionaire. The market conditions, economic setbacks will wreak havoc with his captivating innovations. So that's all about the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We would appreciate a like and share on the video whilst you're here. Also, smash the subscribe button now to subscribe to Investing Tips. Without further ado, do not miss out on any of our videos like this.